Hi guys!
Now, we like to think we are pretty well seasoned travellers. I mean, one of us did come from the other side of the world, so you know, how more seasoned can you be?
Blimey.
So it's about time we shared with you our top 5 travel hacks.
So, number 1 is a good travel wallet. So this travel wallet I've had probably about 25 years, I think I've had.
It's nearly as old as
Yeah.
him.
Hey, but
Really?
it is really, really good to have. So this is where we store all our documents, like passports. We've got, you know, cards and medical cards and everything. So it's our home away from home with our documents. So
Home away from home, I think that's a cruise ship. But we would not generally put our cruise cards in there. But yes, we do put all of our travel cards and insurances, etc. in there. And it just keeps them safe. And when I travel on my own for work, I have a baby one.
number 2.
We do like to travel with our technology, and where would we be without our power block? Now, this power block has all the bits you'd need from every country to every country. USB-A, USB-C, USB-C fast charge as well. So really is a really great tip and trick to use when you're traveling, especially because a lot of hotels may not have that many plugs that you can use.
And it's also with cruise ships. So what we find with cruise ships as well, depending on the type of cruise ship, you may have American adapters, American power sockets, or English or European. Sometimes you have a mixture of two. So if you've run out of, say, European power sockets, that's great because you can put it in American mode and off you go.
Most common one, though, I would say on cruise ships is there's European and US. The only ones I've ever come across UK ones is P&O, good old P&O.
And Marella, I think, as well.
Oh, probably Marella too, yeah.
Number 3.
Now, talking about being power hungry, where would we be if Josh ran out of power partway through a trip? So we could not be without our power blocks. Now, this one is quite a large one. This one is a dual power charging one, 20,000 milliamp hours, so it does good sort of 2, 3, possibly even charges.
Or 4. It depends on what you're using. So we find with the we can charge a laptop and a mobile phone. I can probably get about 4, maybe 4 mobile phones.
The good thing is we can charge 2 devices from this at the same time. The one which I can't find at the moment is one, and I need to find for our next trip, is our wireless one, which also allows you to wireless charge whilst also using the cable charge, which is an absolute must, and means that if someone says, "Oh, my phone's running out of charge, can anyone lend me a charger?" Doesn't matter what phone they've got, straight on the wire, as long as they can wireless charge, of course, straight on the wireless charge, they can charge. Fantastic.
Number 4. So for those of you who travel, or with kids, or a little bit of a messy eater.
Excuse me, how rude.
We always travel with these laundry sheets, and they are great. They're biodegradable.
Dissolvable,
yes, dissolvable, and we've used them many, many times because, especially on cruise ships, laundry can be quite expensive, and so it's a great way to wash your clothes.
Yeah, you can just use them in the sink quickly in a hotel room or your cruise room, cabin. It is just really great, just way to quickly give a bit of a spruce up. Maybe if you're not even a longer cruise, you can use that. You know, we don't tend to get to do longer cruises, but you know,
no, they're great.
Maybe one day.
Swear by them. Number 5. A great suitcase. So it is so important to have a really good suitcase, and it doesn't have to cost you the world.
Yeah, I mean, remember the handle?
The handle instance. So just to give a little bit of a brief.
So on pretty much one of the first uses of a suitcase, the only thing that survived was the handle.
Yeah, the rest of the bag was pretty trashed.
It kind of just came along, trashed bag, followed by the handle on the conveyor belt, as if the guy had just gone, I'll just put that there.
So we really need one. So come along with me and check out the suitcases that we actually use. So guys, I want to introduce you to the suitcases that we use, and they are level 8 suitcases. So let me show you first of all, this is the medium suitcase, and it is, as you would probably see, nice and stylish. We've used these cases a little bit lately whilst we've been traveling. Some of the features I just wanted to show you. It has 4 wheels. So when you're going through the airport, it's just easy to maneuver. You've got your handle here. It comes with automatic sort of lock here as well, which is great. Comes with a very big handle, which is really good. It actually goes quite high, which is great for someone like Tristan and his height. The type of case this is that it's kind of got a bit of flex in it, so it's not too hard, and so that allows you to sort of, you know, if you're like me and overpack a bit, it will expand a little bit. Also, the shape of this as well is more of a rectangle shape, so you can actually fit things in really nice without having sort of those edges like most other suitcases as well. The other thing I wanted to show you was our cabin bag, and Tristan has used this quite a bit, especially for his work travel. It also comes with the wheels here, the handle, which is retractable here. You've got your locking mechanism, and one really good thing that I think Tristan really likes as well is that within this front bit of the case as well is a place where you can put your laptop, your work documents and everything there as well, so you don't have to have a separate laptop bag. If you agree with me, they're quite stylish as well, and they're a real statement. So if you'd like to, we can get 10% off these. So if you go there and put in this code, you will get 10% off these cases. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.